Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at HybridFitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do a close grip bench press. So for the close grip bench press, a couple things we want to remember is that we don't have our hands too close. When our hands too close, we're going to cause a lot of stress at the wrist. So we want the hands about shoulder width apart, maybe a little closer. And then as we come down with the bar, we want to track our elbows as close as we can to our body. So let's grab the bar about shoulder width apart, lift the bar up, pinch the shoulder blades together. And then now from here, let's lower the bar down, keeping the arms in as close to the body as we can. And press up. Now there's a quick tutorial on how to do the close grip barbell bench press. If you like the video or learned anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share, or click right here for the next video in our series. Close grip barbell bench press, throw it in your routine and let me know what you think.